understanding the word clue, essential vocabulary for IELTS learners. Have you ever felt stuck while trying to solve a problem? Maybe you were looking for something you lost or trying to figure out a difficult question on a test. In situations like these, what you really need is a clue. Today, we're going to learn about the word clue, a useful term for IELTS learners aiming for a band score of 5.5. Word type: clue is a noun, and it can also be used as a verb. Meaning, a clue is a piece of evidence or information that helps solve a problem or mystery. As a verb, to clue someone in means to give them helpful information about something. Word history: the word clue has an interesting origin. It comes from an Old English word clue, which meant a ball of thread. In ancient Greek mythology, a hero used a ball of thread to find his way out of a maze. Over time, the meaning changed to represent any information that helped solve a problem. Synonyms: some words that mean almost the same as clue are hint, tip, sign, and indication. Antonyms: words with opposite meanings to clue include mystery, secret, and puzzle. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at how we can use clue in different situations. The detective found an important clue at the crime scene. Can you give me a clue about my birthday present? The unusual smell was the first clue that something was wrong in the kitchen. Common errors in use. Be careful not to confuse clue with the similar sounding word glue. Glue is a sticky substance used to join things together, while a clue helps solve problems. Also, remember that when using clue as a verb, we often say clue in, not just clue. For example, please clue me in about what happened at the meeting. Now that you know more about the word clue, try to use it in your own sentences. Look for clues in your daily life that help you understand situations better. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel to use this word in your IELTS speaking and writing tasks. Keep building your vocabulary, and you'll be well on your way to achieving that band score of 5.5 or even higher.